Hey everyone, Ethan here from Extreme RC 4x4, and today I have the Traxxas TQI, or the Traxxas Link wireless module for the Traxxas remote for my TRX4 here. You can adjust some different settings on here, as well as if you get the GPS speed module here, you can get some speed readings, and you can get some other sensors for voltage and temperature if you desire that. There's some other stuff on here. You gotta get the app so that you can control it, as you would imagine. Compatible with all or most of the Apple devices here, I would imagine, as long as your software is up to date. So should be a pretty simple install here. So the module itself here, really small. I'm not sure if you use this button to turn it on or what, but it should just pop into the remote. They give you an Allen wrench here and a new screw. As well as some instructions here, which is nice because usually things don't come with instructions. Holy cow. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get right into it. Make sure the remote's off, and just gonna remove this one screw here on the bottom. So I'm going to cut this sticker. It's giving me some trouble here. Oh yeah. So now we can pull it out and pop this new one right in there. Like that. I'm going to reuse the old hardware because there's nothing wrong with it, in my opinion. No reason to over tighten it. Really tiny screw. So now we can go ahead and turn on our radio. Turn the truck on. Just gonna put this old one in here, put it back in the box so I know where it is. Now what you want to do is head over to the App Store and get the Traxxas Link app, and we can open that. Okay, so once we're in here, all we're going to do is click on the Traxxas Link up here in the corner. Transmitter's on. We'll go ahead and hit this to get the blue light to flash, and we'll search for it here. Okay, so proceed with the update. Alright, so it's up on jack stands now. We can proceed. Begin update. Alright, so now we can go ahead and browse through the Traxxas Link app. On the dashboard here, this is going to display your speed, and if you have the RPM sensor, the TRX4 doesn't have any of that as of right now. You can get a temperature gauge and you can get a battery reading, but I don't have that either. So in here as well we have a few different things that we can add. for speed, RPM readouts, temperature, and voltage. If you get those different sensors with your truck, and I believe you can also add them. You can set different things for all these gauges. Like I was just in the speed gauge. We can change the name of it, set a warning level. So if you don't want to go over a certain speed here, let's see, turn it on. See if we can just, yeah, so if you want to warn yourself, don't go over 30 miles an hour, you can do that. I don't need that because I don't have any of the speed sensors on here. You can set the range, I guess, if you have some of the different sensors, but there's a training mode. So you can, if you have like a younger sibling or you have kids and you want to help them learn without giving them the full power of the machine, you can go ahead and limit the throttle here, it looks like. I guess I got to. So now it's in training mode. Only get about half throttle, 55% it says right now. I think you can probably adjust that. So we can go ahead and disable that and go back home. Select model, I've already selected the TRX4. I never had that one, so I can just delete it. But you can go through all your categories and select the vehicle. You also have boats in here, so if you have a boat, you can get this. I think that would be really cool to get a speed readout on a boat. Your garage. So we can go to channel setup here, and let's see. I imagine 3 is our reversed. So channel 3 is for your high-low shifting servo. So if you want to change that, you can in here. Channel 4 and 5, so reversed. Let's see, put that on normal. So now I have front differential locked, open, and rear differential locked. So you can adjust the servos to how you wish, which I think is really neat. I would like to play with that a little more, especially out on the trail. That would be fun. So we can adjust our endpoints here. Let's see if we can get a little more steering out of it. So if you guys are looking to get more steering out of your truck, you can adjust the endpoints to be further. That definitely looks like more steering, so that's cool. Just leave that how it is now. Throttle. So if you want less brake, you can go ahead and kill that down, and it will slow down a lot less fast. I'm just gonna leave it at 100. Let's see here. Let's try it. So normally it would stop the wheels really fast. If we put it all the way up, we can probably lock the wheels up. So yeah, you can make that brake really strong if you want to. And your throttle, you can also adjust. So we also have some, you can make some setup sheets if you want to, your model setup. You can plug in the different specs. I'm not sure if this is exactly right. Yeah, it looks right. These are the right tires for the TRX4. I run a 2S lipo, so 2S lipo, check. So you can change all that if you want to. I don't have any of these in here. And model memory. Once again, I think this is just what they normally have in here. I don't have it, so yes, I'll clear it. And so yeah, you get a lot of options in here that you wouldn't normally get on your remote, and it's way easier to adjust them through this app than it is through anything else really. And I think it's just really neat. It wasn't too expensive, I think 25 or 30 bucks, and you get all these features. Definitely a cool option for those of you that like to change and adjust everything to how you like it. But anyways, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.